What is up, guys? Check out the kicks. Today we are rocking the Nike Air Max 95s. Excuse my car. I know it's a little dirty, but it's okay. Don't y'all just hate when people do this? Like, we in the left lane, right lane, they just drive beside each other. This is the zoom lane, man. You gotta move. Oh, look, I gotta go to the right lane if I want to pass somebody in the passing lane. That's crazy, ain't it? I can't deal with it. But the purpose of today's video is not really, I don't know. I don't really got nothing fun planned. It's just I'm going out to the store, finna grab a few things for the household, you know. But I thought, you know, why not just record it? You know, why not do it? Because I've really been putting off videos that I don't be knowing what to do. But when I go watch YouTube, I watch people do random stuff. So, I mean, why not do the same thing that I watch other people do? I mean, I don't watch people get groceries, but I know there's like a whole side of YouTube that does that. Well, it's kind of like POV drive for now to like get to the location, go to the grocery store. I'm really only going for like 2 things, if I'm gonna be honest, like some laundry detergent, some dish detergent, and then I get something to snack on for later until like I'll eat later on. So it's really nothing major, just going out and getting a few things for the house, maybe some snacks for myself, and that's all. Turned up, I just took 2 drugs trying to get turned up. I just took 3 drugs trying to get. What y'all Arby's look like? I don't think it look as fancy as ours though. I ain't never been there. That's a crazy thing. I mean, it look real fancy. It's a nice inside. I never ate there, but I have been inside because I've DoorDashed before. So I've DoorDashed Arby's and I had to go in there. Look at that car, that Corvette. So I'm not really too crazy into cars to tell you, oh, this is a 1987 Corvette such and such. I can't really do all that. I can tell you what type of BMWs and all that because, you know, I drive a BMW, so I know more about them cars than other cars. So they go Premier Easy right there. I know that one. The easy one, the muscle cars, of course. You know, you got the big 3, the Mustangs, your Dodges, your Chargers. You know, Dodge and Charger, same thing. I'm not gonna count 4. Your Camaros. But yeah, it's a Corvette up there. Hopefully we can get to see some nice cars while I'm out here, because I am about to hop on the highway. It's like, yeah, it's 12 o'clock, so, oh, it's blurry. Oh no. So yeah, it's 12 o'clock. So a lot of people are gonna be on the interstate. But I'm trying to see what we gonna see out there though. That's fire. So yeah, like I said earlier, we're not really doing nothing crazy, just on our way to the grocery store. We're going to a different type of grocery store today. That's where I ain't never been to. I said like it's like, you know, rare or anything like that, but you know, we all got like our set grocery stores and convenience stores we go to. Some people go to Sheetz, some people go to regular gas stations, some people shop at Walmart, some go to Target, you know. Everybody got their preference. I'm really just getting out the drive today. Just trying to, you know, get some sunlight and out the house, you know. And you got a nice Dodge right there. But yeah, what hand do y'all drive with? To me, I'm a left-hand driver. I don't know why. I know a lot of other people, they drive with their right hands. I'm like, I don't know. I really don't know why. I don't know if I learned how to drive with my left hand or what, but I've always been a left-hand driver. And when I get in cars with other people, or I tell them, they be like, oh, I drive with my right hand, you drive with your right hand? I'm like, nah, man, it feels completely weird trying to drive with my right hand. No knock to anybody that drive with their right hand though, but nah, man. I mean, I'm right hand dominant though, that's the crazy part. But I drive with my left hand. I don't know. Like, I'm right side dominant, but I jump off my left foot too. I don't know if that's normal or not either. It's like my power foot. I don't know. I don't know. Hopefully, I do not miss my turn. Because truthfully, I don't know where I'm going. Like, I've been out here before. I think this is a turn. If I really mess this up, then I think I'm just that slow. Let's see. Let's put it to the test. Oh yeah, this is a turn. I just looked over, I see where I'm going. Yeah. So they got a Raising Cane's over here that they're building. I think this gonna be done this month, actually. If it's not this month, then it's definitely next month for sure. Maybe in a few days. I really think that it's gonna be in a few days. Please don't run this stop sign. Thank you very much. But yeah. So it'll be busy over here, and it really don't help that I came out here at 12, son. There go the lawman. Yeah, I just seen this this lady. She was on the sign. I'm not gonna say she was homeless, because there's so many fake homeless people out here. And it just reminded me. I brought it up because I had a story here reminding me that I was out working one day. I used to work for Amazon, and on my way back, there was this person. He would just stand out by our exit, because you know it was like a busy exit. He would just stand out by the exit, wait for people to pass by. And this dude, you know, usually if you don't have nothing, you just ignore him or whatever. I didn't have nothing. I was the first one in the line, and this man came out. He was waving. He stood in front of my car, like in front of my van, and I'm like, oh snap! Come on, man, you don't gotta do all that. And he just kept doing it till my light turned green, and thankfully, I skedaddled. You know, I got out of there. You know, let me park up real quick. Hopefully it's not busy in here, because they're gonna make me mess around and go home. Yeah, I almost got hit by this old person just now trying to park. It was flying down the parking lot, and I reversed in on my parking spots. I guess you can see my reverse lights are a vehicle turning in backwards. You know, it's kind of hard to miss, but you know, it's whatever. I ain't get hit. God is good. And yeah, trying to cross the street. Let's see. Grab this. My hands are full. I didn't think this through. I might have to pick up back up with y'all when I get back out. I really should have grabbed the basket. Next time, I know to come with like buy a tripod or something, or come with a game plan, because I walked in, looked for this big thing, some other stuff I couldn't carry and film at the same time. You know, I got my 2 pizzas. I got some dish soap. Only bought one because we don't really need many. I just bought one, so like whenever it gets low, there's an extra one, even though there is extras. You know, it's just stock, you know. Yeah, but now I don't know what to do. I think I'm gonna go home. Stop by somewhere, grab a drink. I'm not sure. I got time to think, because I gotta hop on the highway anyway. All right, guys. I said I was going home. Here I am. I am home. So I've been introduced to Wawa lately. They got these frozen drinks I like. I think I'm addicted. I think it's unhealthy, but I'm addicted. So I might come in here again. When I had one like 2 days ago, I think I might get another one. But the last one I had was like it was a sugar cookie joint. That sugar cookie, I think it's the name of it, frosted sugar cookie. So I'm not gonna get that one again. I'm about to get I think they got like an Oreo kind in there, cookies and cream. I'm about to smack on one of them. So even though I ain't getting gas, I'm gonna park in the gas spot. So I went and got my drink. It was busy in there, but I had to drink or something because it was so full, started spilling over. But we got a Oreo something. I forgot what it was already, but it's good. Yeah, it is. And that sugar cookie joint, I think it's far right there. Yeah, I'm head back now. Let's go ahead and head home. Yeah, I'm back on the hallway, but that's really gonna be the end of this. Just something real slight. Just something to post to get out there. If y'all enjoyed the video, you know, let me know. You can leave a like, subscribe, whatever you feel is needed. I appreciate it. But yeah, that's the end of this video. I'll see y'all in the next one.